there is a massive opportunity on our hands right now with Cardano, and I think that it could be a 14 bagger. That's right, you read the thumbnail correctly. That was not a typo. I actually think that there is a lot of opportunity hidden with Cardano at the moment, and right now the timing is perfect for there to be a massive pump. So as per usual, I want to do some technical analysis to find out exactly what's going on under the hood with this cryptocurrency. Real quick though, I did want to start off by showing the crypto market cap dominance for Bitcoin first. Now, I want to ask you guys, do you see a trend here? If we take a look at the 2013, I guess it's cut off there. So we'll start with the 2017 bull market. Do you see how the altcoins completely took over the crypto market cap dominance as Bitcoin rapidly fell? And then during the bear market, you can see it rise very quickly. Well, by very quickly, I mean over a couple years, around to the 70% level. Then 2021, boom, altcoins took over, and you saw a massive dump in the Bitcoin market cap dominance. A little bit of consolidation over the last couple years, rise as Bitcoin went up in price. And now, what do you see here? You're starting to see a dump, right, in the Bitcoin market cap dominance. Now, what does this mean? This means that it's altcoin season. These three candles represent 3 weeks. That means we've had 3 weeks of altcoin dominance increasing, and I expect this to only continue easily down to levels here. I would say there's a support line in this area, right? Generally speaking. So that means there's this much room for altcoins to grow. So where is that money going to go? Which altcoins are going to grow? Well, that brings me back to Cardano. You see, first, let's take a look at the price action just in the last few days here. You can actually see that it's been nonstop pumping. We went from 32 cents all the way up to $1.20 in a matter of weeks. That is a 300% increase, right? A 300% increase, which if I measure exactly, we're looking at 310, okay? Now, looking at the momentum indicators, we're a little bit overextended on the daily. You can see the RSI has been over 70 consistently since about early November. You can also see the waves have been emitting red signals consistently. But this is the role of cryptocurrency. That's why I don't like to take momentum indicators too seriously. Not to mention, if we look at a more respectable time interval, such as the weekly, you can actually see that, yes, it's, high up on the RSI, but the waves haven't even begun forming a red dot. And it looks like there's a few weeks left before that red dot gets formed. And even if it does, if we look back at history, you can see that even on the weekly, you might get a red dot here, and then it might be another several months before that materializes into negative momentum. And even if it does, that doesn't even necessarily mean we won't see another all-time high. So momentum indicators are actually pretty bullish, just given the past history of this coin. Now, I want to look at the support and resistance zones here. You can see here we're above 2 major supports, but we have 3 major resistances above us, one of which was established all the way back in 2017. And we're currently testing that resistance as we speak. After that, you do have a couple major zones further up, although I don't think these will be that strong of resistance given that they've only been tested 1 or 2 times, and of course the all-time high, which is always resistance, but as evidenced by Bitcoin this year, it doesn't necessarily need to be a major one. I think what we should be looking at is the Fibonacci retracement levels. If we take the all-time high and take it to the previous low before the all-time high, which would be about right here. Oops, I moved it. Let me undo. So we take these Fibonacci retracement levels, we can actually see that they roughly line up with the zones of resistance that I drew. But we can also use these as take profit levels. So in the event that this pump continues up and we surpass previous all-time highs, I want to zoom out here and see how high can the Fibonacci take us. Now, the easy ones would be these three here. Take profit at a 1.618 level already puts us at $5. That right there is a 5-bagger. But if we hit the 2.618, that's at $8, about an 8-bagger, 700% increase. And if we get lucky, we might even see Cardano at $13 to $14, hence the title of the video. And I think that's a very real possibility given the market cap of this crypto. It's still relatively small if you compare it to Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you take a look at coin market cap, you'll see that, you know, as a percentage of Bitcoin, it's a small market cap. And I think there's a lot of fundamental sound technology behind this cryptocurrency. So because of that, I'm bullish not only for technical, but also for fundamental reasons. So just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let me know in the comments any other cryptocurrencies you want me to take a look at.